So it's going to return onto it. So these panels are going to fall short basically at your cabinet height.
Yeah.
So that cabinet height detail's going to continue here.
Yeah.
I think this should pick back up with, the crown's going to be up here, but then we should have that furniture sub-crown base going here first and then the crown going. So it looks like it's the cabinets. The coloring of this is being painted the same as the cabinets.
It's just kind of open it for a break, so it can transition.
Yeah, you'll be able to transition coming out and around here. That's why I want this. Yeah, I want that to come out. And then I don't know why this window, and then there's one window upstairs. It's just like the profile upstairs in the bathroom, where you're gonna cut this back here, and that's gonna be your miter and the trim piece. And then you're gonna take another piece of baseboard, rip that off,
Make it
come down, miter with a little return going that way.
And you only want to have this running at the bottom then.
Correct.
That's all I needed.
All right, because then it'll die into where the baseboard and everything's gonna tie into the back room. Okay? Same thing here. This is just all the paint grade. It's gonna come off of the wainscoting paneling, mitered into there.
Still supposed to put a nosing in there for us?
We're gonna have to make 2 nosings for that.
Okay. And then also our combo base isn't going to dive into that well, so I don't know if you want to put a stop on.
So here,
Transition.
no, here, I think this is gonna have to get cut back into the other room. Okay. So what I was thinking for here is, number 1, spray foam this door, because now that all the walls are blown in, we're just getting air come through here. So, but I think when you flatten this across here, when I put this board on here the other day, it covers that up.
Like 1 by?
Yeah, 1 by does. So what I was thinking is run 1 by scribe to the cabinets, both here and here, and then it's probably going to be like a 1 by 8 or 1 by 10 across to the top. So that's all in plane. But so then on this side into the actual kitchen, there's going to be no crown, okay? So you'll have the cabinet crown and that's it. But then backsplash tile will go up around the window trim to the ceiling on both walls there. And then that crown just dies into the tile on both sides of that window. And then over here, when we get these panels in, your crown just dying into the edge of the stairs.
Correct.
Okay?
Just down and shut about 5 inches. Wall.
Yeah, and just a baseboard going in there. Okay? We're gonna have to straighten out that corner going into there.
Okay. What kind of trim detail do you want to do? Do you want me to carry the base up and around? I can have the profile of the base running.
And then now here, it's probably going to be,
Combo base is higher. It's driving over and in.
well, so you're not gonna have any combo base here because we gotta tie back in the wainscoting paneling.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna need 1 by 4 flush down here to, I guess, also a 1 by 6 base going in. So we should probably cut that 1 by 6 first so that we can miter this or scribe this into that there.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
But I'll check.
That's what I'm saying. I think you need to set your heights here
Yeah.
so you can even reveal above that window and then work the crown from these corners into here. You're gonna have,
So our cabinets are establishing where we're going to go.
correct. And then you're gonna have to take that height and make it straight over here and then work these 2 pieces of crown molding in to tie the 2 together. Okay? Now you're gonna have a similar thing in the living room.
Correct.
So you're gonna have 2-piece crown above the build-ins with the panel and soffit above the door. So that's gonna step back a little bit, just so we don't have a straight run.
Yeah. When is
Countertop, tomorrow, 8 to 10,
first thing?
first thing in the morning. 9, yeah. So you get that in the morning, and then you got glass in the afternoon. I will shoot them an email about having them cut the panels for all the glass doors in the dining room, and then we'll install them when they bring them for everything upstairs.
Do you want me to have them measure every single door?
Okay, we are adding shelves to the 2 closets on the 3rd floor.
What kind of trim detail do you want to do? Do you want me to carry the base up and around? I can have the profile of the base running. I need to make this turn, and so my base comes in here. I can do a step down like you're doing base cap around.
So I would do the step down on the front.
Where can you step?
Where's that scrap piece?
Pillars are uneven because the rule is saying it's not out square. So as the wall comes out, something is pulling off. So the sink is centered with the medicine cabinet over the fillers. And I guess one of the walls being out of square extended outward. So now fillers, probably like a quarter inch different.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna pick that up in there.
It's just
So,
something I noticed.
all right.
Yeah, we're good. When is time?
Countertop, tomorrow, 8 to 10,
8 to 10, so first thing.
first thing tomorrow morning.
Usually means
9, yeah. So you get that in the morning, and then you got glass in the afternoon. I will shoot them an email about having them cut the panels for all the glass doors in the dining room, and then we'll install them when they bring them for everything upstairs.
Do you want me to have them measure every single door?
When that crown molding dies into the 2 walls, you're gonna have to check to make sure where you're hitting on both sides. Check it with the laser going in so that we get a straight piece above the window.
Yeah, you're not doing the casing again?
I don't think we should put the casing back.
How are you finishing the sides? Where the wainscoting ends on each side of the window. Sad part is they already turned it up onto the sill.
I think we should take the cap off.
Down to the sill and pop off some of them.
Well, you got to piece it, you got to fix it back in here. You got to do it on this side. Half of the foyer's got it off already
Okay.
from putting the post in.